Latte caramel.
Oh, she's so cute.
Okay, y'all, so getting dressed for brunch. Well, for the day, kind of half of it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my creator jacket on. Really, it's just for warmth, nothing else. Not a part of the look or no style in there. Just so I won't be cold. The boat gonna look crazy on the jacket, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay. Boat looks insane under the jacket. That's okay, because I don't care. You know, you got to do what you got to do. So, y'all come on over here. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, that's what we got going. We got home white. Very nervous about this, but don't really know. I think I'm gonna do a little bit. I really didn't want to do no makeup for the simple fact that I have on white, and I just didn't feel like it. But we won't be lazy. Call you back. Say that you're gonna be still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Yes. What was the name? Bree-Ze.
Sounds good.
Have you ever met his son, Spike?
Have a good day,
Or Alfie? Thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, great kids. Spike and Alfie.
Enjoy, y'all.
Thank you.
Supermax.
Thank you.
Have a good time.
Thank you. Cold is not even the damn word no more.
Very back of the menu here is where all of our drinks are going to be. I'll give you a second then let me know if I can get you anything besides the water today.
Thank you. Oh. Okay, I'll catch you when you come back. Yes. So what would be your recommendation?
So my favorite drink on the menu is going to be the cookie butter.
Okay, I was looking at that.
Yes, you want it hot or iced today?
I want to do ice.
Ice, you got it.
Do you have caramel?
One more time?
Caramel?
Caramel, you got it. Latte caramel.
Oh, she's so cute. I do know that I want to do the French toast flight.
Are we doing the regular one or the 2.0?
Oh,
The regular one is going to come with the Rogers Park Extreme, cookie butter and banana, and strawberry peeled. And the 2.0 is going to come with the tres leches, churro, and creme brulee.
Oh, Lord. See, now you got me thinking again. What do you recommend?
I prefer the 2.0. The tres leches is my personal favorite. And then the churro is probably the most popular one that we have.
Okay. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go with what the people say.
You get it.
And then I wanted to know, could I just do a side of the chicken breast, the chicken fried chicken with the spicy honey on top?
You get it. So just piece of fried chicken with
Yeah.
You get it.
How you close it? Oh, what did I get? Okay, so let me tell y'all now before I forget what I ordered. I have the cookie butter latte. And for my meal, I got the Trio French Toast Flight 2.0, which is the new flight. It features one piece of the churro, one piece of tres leches, and one piece of creme brulee. Love that. Because the regular French Toast Trio, y'all, it comes with a cookie butter, strawberry, and one Rogers Park. So I went with the 2.0. I hope that it's good and it's fire because yeah, it better be good. I don't know.
You want all 15 sauces or half?
Oh, half and half.
Last but not least, what can you for that?
I want to do the skillet and I want to do the chicken fried chicken skillet.
The chicken fried chicken skillet. Chicken fried chicken skillet.
Alright, let's see. I can get with this. I know my sweet tooth finna go so crazy.
Especially with this. There's so much going on right now with this drink.
Literally.
Okay guys, real fresh chicken fried chicken and skillet.
Thank you.
And chicken. And pancakes.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Right, hold on.
So it's going to be the tres leches
Churro, creme brulee,
and tres leches.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course.
Oh my God, y'all heard it. It's me over here being overly careful. Because I don't want no smoke. Alright, let's try this chicken fried chicken that they've been talking about. Let's see what it's giving. Oh shit. Oh my. That's good. That's seasoned. I don't know who back there, but give me one of my kinfolk. Let's break into this. Okay. This is definitely the churro one. I can see the cinnamon and stuff on it. Come. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna be a crackhead today. That's good. That's good. I thought it was gonna be like overly sweet, but the churro fine.
I know we're doing our videos. Have we got to try anything yet?
Yes.
How's everything tasting so far?
So far, so good.
Let me know if you need anything else over here.
Thank you. That's good.
I don't even eat onions like that, and I can't even tell that.
Okay, so my fried chicken with the hot honey on the side, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. It's seasoned to perfection. It tastes so good. And y'all know I did Harold's the other day. And I was like, the chicken is good, but it ain't giving what's back home. This what I'm used to. I'm not even gonna lie to you. For my flight, I tried the churro one first. I'm gonna give that, because I thought it was so sweet, or was gonna be so sweet, like it over exceeded my expectations. You can still eat it. So I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. What's this one? Do you remember?
What?
This is churro. This is tres leches. What's this other one? I forgot what that was called. Creme brulee? Am I right or am I wrong? Y'all know. I said it on camera, so y'all know. So let's dig in. Okay. The creme brulee, I feel like it's like, I probably get out of a 6 out of 10, a 6 or a 7 out of 10. The texture of the bread is a little different, so I kind of really don't like it. I don't know how to describe it to y'all.
You got a deep, like it's like a mountain of shit.
That thing is deep, girl.
Like a mountain of shit.
Have you tasted the chicken yet?
Yeah, it's under there somewhere.
She said it's somewhere.
It's under there.
Did you like it?
You want to get in there?
Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That chicken is good. You know how like at Harold's, I was like, it's good, but like I'm used to a lot more flavor.
Like this got
This,
flavor.
yeah.
I think
I
it's
said
because
it's.
gravy.
I think it's one of our people back there.
I believe it.
Like even like without the gravy, like this by itself, it's good. Okay, this is the tres leches.
Yeah, I'm loving this sausage. Y'all?
She must stop to get a bag.
I think so.
Okay, let's go and get our little pictures real quick. Y'all look cute. You're welcome. I feel like, Jay, you think this will be cute? With my white?
Yeah, I think it would be.
Okay. Here.
But the light right here is a little
It's because the sun that way. Okay. Come on, we got like 3 minutes. Here, we ain't even gonna pull the tripod out.
at this point.
We just gonna snap. I'll take yours on my phone too, so we don't have to break so much down. Damn, I gotta take my jacket off. Gots to. Gotta go and get the look. Oh!
You gotta eat it.
Think warm, bitch. Think warm.
Look cute and think warm. Look cute and think warm.
Yes, you look so cute.